Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. In this video, I will tell you how to fix Play Store download pending problem. So if you are facing this problem, keep the video till the end and follow my steps. First, go to the Play Store and click on your profile icon. Now go to the settings and click on the network preference and check the app download preference. Click on it and over any network should be checked always. Now second solution is go to the your mobile setting and click on the storage and to see how much space is available. If no space available in your mobile phone, then delete unnecessary app or photo or file to free the space. Considering using the Play Store managing apps device section to identify and remove unusual app. Now next solution is check for the other pending updates. For this, open your Play Store again and go to your profile icon and click on the manage and device. The Play Store processes download one at a time. If other app are updating, your download may be the waiting in the queue. Cancel unnecessary update or prioritize. Go to the manage apps and device. Now click on the updates available and check for the updates. Next solution is clear cache of your Play Store. For this, long press on your Play Store and go to the app info. Now click on the storage and cache. Clear cache and storage from here. So by this way you can fix the downloading problem. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.